Hey you guys, welcome to Blending with Henry. I'm really liking these Vitamix bundles being released this summer. Now first it was the black stainless A3500 included with the stainless steel container. Now something even cooler, the brushed stainless Ascent A3500 full package that includes the air disc container which aerates, makes cold foams, and is great for muddling and mixing drinks. Now I have a great set of summer recipe ideas for you guys to celebrate this amazing bundle, plus something new. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you support Blending with Henry by hitting that like and subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be alerted when new video content arrives. Now, for more recipes, visit my website, blendingwithhenry.com. Your summer recipes just got kicked up to the next level of goodness. Something green and refreshing and something chocolatey with peanut butter. And today we'll be making a frozen mint mojito. A chocolate peanut butter cold brew iced coffee. And I'll also be showing you an innovative way to easily make dairy-free whipped topping using just coconut milk. And for everyone who prefers the non-blended mint mojito, I created this dairy-free lime-infused foam to complement this summer refresher. Now the secret to making these dairy-free foams and whipped toppings is in that red-covered stainless steel bottle called the Easy Gourmet Whip. Now, I'm absolutely obsessed with this bad boy, you guys, and I'm excited to show it to you. The Vitamix Entertaining package includes the brushed stainless Ascent A3500, the 64-ounce wet container, the 48-ounce air disc container, and 3 recipe books, which includes the new Simply Entertaining recipe book. Now, in my opinion, this makes a great Father's Day gift for that dad who's king of the barbecue pit in the backyard. Now, along with blending drinks, Dad can create delicious barbecue sauces in the Vitamix right next to the barbecue machine. Now, I didn't have this brushed stainless finish model at the time I created this video, so my recipes were made using the black stainless finish model. So let's take a quick look at the Simply Entertaining book. Now what's unique about the content is it shows whole foods rather than just blender drinks, like this artichoke salad with Greek dressing. And there's a blackberry herbalini here, a pistachio crusted cheese log, it looks great. And then it also has ideas on how to create the ultimate dinner party table setting. Now I need to try this iced lemon mousse, you guys, it looks great. There's a chestnut soup, looks good. And here's a winter holiday table setup which can be helpful if you're not super artistic. There's a roast chicken with Montreal seasoning, and a spring brunch table setting, and that's a sample of the Simply Entertaining recipe book. So you guys, the first recipe is going to be a frozen mint mojito. Now I bet nobody wants to try this, right? Right! For this recipe, we're using the included 64-ounce container. Now I've got my measuring glass, and we're putting in 8 ounces of white rum. Yeah, it looks like a lot, but it's a party, right? Okay. Let's keep the party going, all right? Okay, I'm just going to pour it right in. Now 3/4 cup of simple syrup, 1/3 cup of fresh lime juice, and some lime slices. Now these include the rind. Now the recipe came from the Food Network. I would recommend going without the rind because it gives a slight gritty taste. Now 1 cup of mint leaves not packed. And 5 cups of ice. Okay, I'm going to make sure the lid's in place. And now we're blending at the highest speed for about 40 seconds. And there you go. Now this is so good, you guys. Your adult guests may never leave. Okay? Now plate it with extra mint leaves, lime slices, and matching cocktail straws. Since we're all about entertaining today, I'm going to show you something very cool. It's my new Easy Gourmet Whip. Now, like I said before, you guys, I'm obsessed with this bad boy. Now, you may have seen these before. Yes, it is the nitrous oxide cream whipper dispenser. Now, I'll be using this only for food, okay? Now, it does so many things. You can create hot and cold concoctions with it. It does rapid infusions of syrups and oils and even fruits. And you can flavor and inject meats and fill donuts, and it also creates espumas. It has solved one major problem I've had, and that is to create dairy-free whipped topping using coconut milk. And you can make dairy-based whipped cream with the Vitamix wet container and the AER disc container, but dairy-free whipped topping requires so many tricks to get it right, and often they fail. I showed you this earlier. Now this is coconut milk whipped topping, and it took under 2 minutes to make with almost no effort. For this next recipe, I stepped it up a bit, so let me show you. In the Vitamix wet container, I'm mixing the coconut milk solid and water from the can on low speed. Now 1/4 cup of premium chocolate sauce, 1/8 of a teaspoon of instant coffee, and a couple of pumps of vanilla syrup. Then I blend on medium speed until incorporated. Now I pour it into the Easy Gourmet Whip up to the fill line. This is the N2O cream charger that provides the gas, and I call it the secret ingredient. Now you place it inside the charger holder and you screw it onto the Gourmet Whip until you hear the gas disperse into the canister. Now you really want to shake it for more than 10 times for dairy-free whipped topping. Okay, now you remove the N2O charger and put the included cap on and refrigerate it for 1 hour. This is 100% dairy-free chocolate coconut whipped topping, and what's unique about this is it creates 5 times the amount of whipped topping from liquid than you would normally get by manually whipping the cream. Now, restaurants and chefs use the Easy Whip, and the next time you guys are at Starbucks, check out their whipped cream dispenser. It's this bad boy right here. Now, let's make chocolate peanut butter cold brew iced coffee. The recipe is from the Vitamix website, and of course, it's 100% dairy-free. Okay, we're going to be using the AER disc container. Now, aside from making cold foams, it's perfect for making non-blended drinks by mixing ingredients and stirring in the ice. So the first ingredient is cold brew coffee, almond milk, coconut powder, natural unsalted peanut butter, and some ice. And now we're mixing on the highest speed for 30 seconds. I have chocolate drizzle inside the cups with a couple of pumps of vanilla syrup and some extra ice. Now notice that the ice is still intact, so the AER disc container mixed the ingredients and simply stirred in the ice. And now for our dairy-free chocolate coconut whipped topping. A plating idea is to add 2 striped straws that closely match the color of your coffee drink and set your coffee drinks against a white platter. Now, your party guests will be impressed by the attention to detail. Now, a non-blended mint mojito, the more popular way most people drink it, but with a twist. I have all the ingredients in the air disc container and I'm muddling on speed 8 for about 30 seconds. I tilted the lid to filter out the ingredients. Now I'm going to add some club soda. And for the twist, I created a lime-infused foam made with lime juice, simple syrup, and aqua faba rather than egg whites to create a plant-based foam. And just like the frozen mint mojito, serve this on a white plate to your guests, garnished with fresh mint and lime slices. It makes for a great party setting. And of course, I made this delicious foam with the easy Gourmet Whip. These are some fun recipes you can create at your barbecues and parties over the summer. I love the easy Gourmet Whip, obviously. I definitely recommend you guys get one of these. Now, if you already have a current Vitamix, you can just order the air disc container and create all these recipes easily. So you guys, who is the Vitamix Entertaining Package for? Well, in my opinion, anyone. Now, as I mentioned earlier, it would make a great Father's Day gift, but it would also make a great gift for someone graduating culinary school. Now, the links to order this package, the Easy Gourmet Whip, and the recipes are below the video. Please support Blended with Henry using my links to order. Alright you guys, thank you so much. I've had a lot of fun and I got more things coming for you the rest of this summer. See you soon.